Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to use WhatsApp calling interface, like managing your upcoming or ongoing calls. So you have to go to your WhatsApp, of course. And if you have already scheduled call or a meeting, then you can head over to your call section and you will find your upcoming calls or your ongoing calls in here in this top section. So in here, what you need to do is just to tap on that specific call and see your schedule and active calls. And here you can join or see or preview the participants that are gonna be in this call and use the joining indicator to step in it smoothly. So once you tap on join, you will be joined in the call and they can see you in the call or get your messages. So yeah, this is how easy it is to use your WhatsApp calling interface. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.